work. I will likewise take great care to promote sacred vocations so that the spiritual need of the whole church will be appropriately met. I will respectfully accept and carry out its mandates and counsels. So help me God and these holy gospels which I touch with my hand.
The story of EDSA People Power is a story of prayer power. It is a story of a praying nation using the values of the gospel for social change.
Thank you, Archbishop Sok, for giving me this pastoral staff, which I know is very special to you because it came from Cardinal Sin, who in turn received it from Archbishop Jose Maria Cuenco. I assure you, his spirit will live on. The EDSA spirit continues because our faith impels us to be generous, as to become the conscience and prophets of society. Tayo ay dapat makabayan dahil tayo ay makadiyos.
Father Jun did his mission as a priest, friend, and teacher, basking on nothing else but the grace of God.
Receive the ring, the seal of fidelity, and adorned with undefiled faith, preserved and blemished, the bride of God, the Holy Church.
Ng kamay ng Diyos, sakit humango.
Receive the mitre, and let the splendor of holiness shine in you, so that when the chief shepherd appears, you may merit to receive an unfading crown of glory.
Hindi mapapahamak kailanman. Ipahahayag ko.
Today, I receive the grace of the Episcopate on the occasion of the 39th anniversary of the EDSA People Power Revolution as a form of prayer for generosity. I pray that we may never forget that to be a good Christian, a good priest, a good bishop, is also to give ourselves to become a good citizen, vigilant to truth, justice, integrity, freedom, and peace. Ang tunay na makadiyos ay makabayan din.
Nanggihan ng tagapagtayo.
Your brother priests in Manila will bid you goodbye and farewell. It is now time for Bishop Jun. The goodbye of Manila is the welcome of Bataan.
To my fellow Bataeños, I am returning home. Babalik na at uuwi ako sa Bataan, sa bayan ng mga bayani at banal.
Ito ang araw na ginawa.
Bishop Jun, rise and go forth. The Lord calls you now. Let Him send you. Go forth and be grace.
At